Hi you guys, so today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. But we're kind of starting the video the night before just because I need to go grocery shopping. But I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go to 2 different spots. So I want to hit up Sprouts first because they close first. They close at 10. Kroger closes at midnight. I don't know if it's just me, but I prefer shopping at night just because it's so much more peaceful. Yeah, I'm excited.
Loving the low times, hiding the mud.
That's my bread. I literally only came to Sprouts for some lemonade. Lemonade and water.
How you hating in a
Y'all ever put so much in the cart, it gets heavy, so you just start pulling it instead of pushing it? That's where we at right now. Yeah. Bringing those groceries upstairs was a workout. Anyways, what we're about to do now is make this horchata. This is basically like a Mexican style drink. It's, think a cold vanilla latte. That's what it's giving me. That's like the best way I can describe it. You can add cinnamon sticks and almonds to it to give it a nutty, gritty kind of texture, which is what I'm going to do. I don't know why I'm explaining this like I've made this a million times. I've only made this once, but I have read up on the recipe and you can make it different ways. So we're gonna make it my way. I'm concerned, what if I fuck this up? I only got enough for like 1 batch. But anyway, so I got me a little blender right here. The main ingredient that you're going to need, ladies and gentlemen, is rice. I have jasmine rice. We don't do measurements over here. I'm just gonna pour this in here. Y'all, I'm dropping these almonds on the floor, and Bella can't have almonds. That's toxic for her. So I'm gonna just blend this up for like a little bit. And the last time I did this, it sounded like the almonds was just destroying my blender. So now I'm gonna add some water. There are 2 cups of water, not really that much. I'm adding sugar because I like everything sweet. I'm dropping a little bit of vanilla in here. Was that too much? Wow, this smells so good. I'm excited. Who the hell do I think I am? So this is sweet condensed milk. This is actually good by itself too. Wow. I'm gonna give it another cup of water. So I'm gonna do like a little taste test because the next step is you gotta let it soak like for 8 hours. It could be a little bit sweeter, but it tastes amazing. I need to relax. So I'm about to sip on this. This is I guess a sparkling water, strawberry vanilla. It's something, okay? Here, I'll let y'all look at it. It looked really good, so. It's good, but it tastes kind of flat. Good morning, you guys. So after I made the horchata last night, up, down, left, right, next thing you know, I was in the bed. So for today's agenda, I basically want to film like a short IGTV video. I want to check on this horchata. I've been trying to let it soak as long as possible because I really want to get like all the flavor. Wow, we're looking real comfortable right now, aren't we? So next thing on the agenda is to fix this fruit bowl. I have a little bit of yogurt here at the bottom. I use this low-fat vanilla yogurt. Greek yogurt is good too. I meant to pick that up. So this is all the grinded up almonds and rice. You got to use a strainer when you're making this drink because you don't want this in it. Or maybe you do. I don't want to taste this in my drink. This is it. Let's see. There's so much vanilla in here, but it tastes amazing. I wish y'all could taste this. But I mean, y'all can make it yourself. I basically gave y'all the recipes. All right, y'all, so I'm done eating. Let's talk fiber, particularly this super fiber from Bellway. So this is a natural fiber supplement with real fruit, real ingredients, vegan and cruelty free. So natural fiber can be used to soften your stool. It's good for bloating, gas, and digestion. And it makes for a good, gentle detox. Did you know the average person is supposed to get about 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day? And if you actually look at the numbers, there are other countries that take in even more fiber than that, up to like 75 grams a day. And fiber can actually decrease your risk of like any health defects or diseases. I feel like Bellway fiber is a little bit different just because it doesn't really thicken that quickly. Also, it's really smooth. It mixes well. It goes with anything. Smoothies, juices, water. I'm about to be drinking me some water, so I'm gonna just pour like a scoop in this glass. You can take up to 3 scoops daily, but if you're just starting out with fiber intake, I'd recommend you to start with maybe even half a scoop or a scoop daily, just because, not because of the Bellway fiber itself. When you start taking fiber and if you give yourself too much, suddenly it's too much in your stomach and it can cause bubble guts. Nevertheless, if you guys are interested, Bellway has these tubs that you guys can see here. And they also have the little fiber sticks that you can use as well. It's up to your preference, but either way, it starts out at $19.99. You can use my discount code, which I will leave on the screen and in the description box, which will give you 25% off your first order. So feel free to check it out if you're interested. The flavor I have is raspberry lemon, and I just do like a scoop and a half a day. Like, that's good enough for me. It tastes smooth, and like I said, it comes out smooth. So this is good enough for me. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. Like I probably mentioned earlier, I'm not really that hungry. That was like a really heavy breakfast for me personally. But for the sake of content, we're gonna make a tofu sandwich. So the thing is, I've never really made a tofu sandwich before, so I don't really know what to put on it. So we're gonna experiment. So I have a lemon, I have a bell pepper, we have an avocado, and we have the extra firm tofu. And that's it, we're gonna heat up a pan. I promise you, this is like the most boring part about cooking tofu. Look at how slow this is cooked. I posted a Q&A on my story a few weeks ago, and one of my followers was like, what kind of food do you like aside from teriyaki everything? I will eat teriyaki anything, okay? I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice onto the avocado too. It's like so many different flavors. It's not nasty, but it's just, I don't know what I'm tasting. It's a lot. I'd eat it again. Like, I'm gonna definitely fix this again though. All right, well, I'm about to enjoy the rest of this sandwich. I likely won't be hungry anytime soon, but we will be preparing one more meal tonight. So I'll hit y'all when my stomach's ready. Update, it's pretty late. It's like, it's midnight. We are moving on to the last meal of the night. We're gonna be doing some buffalo cauliflower, y'all. So I've never prepped cauliflower before. I watched a few videos on it. It doesn't look that difficult. So I already have all of my ingredients out. I have some almond milk. I have some baking flour, pepper, salt, a little bit of this bold and savory seasoning rub, and then I also have a little bit of cayenne. So I already prepped the cauliflower. I rinsed it off. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this batter. Like I probably mentioned earlier in the video, we don't measure anything over here. The baking flour. So this is what she's looking like. Looks like a masterpiece. I'm gonna transfer this to a pan and we're gonna stick it in the oven. I already have the oven preheated to 450.
Fast forward 25 minutes later, these are the cauliflower bites.
Yep. It's cauliflower. It's cauliflower. This is it. Let me find out I can actually cook. I also picked up this plant-based ranch dressing, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste like regular ranch. I don't know. Whenever I get store-bought ranch, it just don't be hit the same. No matter what kind of brand I get, it just does not hit the same. I have to get restaurant ranch, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh shit. Yeah, all this from cooking. Y'all done got my ass slaving in this kitchen all day, but we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I will be happy to make them. I like cooking new things, so who knows? Maybe we can make this a series. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's Vlogmas. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to Bellway for sponsoring this video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.